Hello everyone, just going to go for a quick ride out. I thought I'd take some pictures of the bike first, just so I can show them to someone who's interested in the bike. So I come with some grass area. So I'll come out now because later on they said it's going to rain. Not sure if it will or not, but anyway. Right, so taking all the photos, spots of rain on the bike already, but hey ho, we'll go out now. Right, I'll see you in a minute.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
It said it was going to rain between 1 and 2 o'clock. It's now just gone 11 and I'm getting wet. Just my luck. I'd have a quick half an hour out. And I've got a week off work. That's good, isn't it? So yeah, thought I'd have a quick ride. But these spots of rain all over my visor. So it's all part of the fun, isn't it? A few cars on the road, don't know where they're all going. I'm going shopping! I hope you've all got your masks. Cool. That's a bit broken up. I'm only going to do about 3 or 4 videos a week now. I've got lots of content on there in respect of videos. I've just taken another photo of the bike because I'll see if I can get a deal on MT-07, but I'm not sure because it's a hooligan bike. At my age they tend to be a bit hooliganish sometimes. I'm not sure. Come on, we go up to the caravan park. So I'm not sure. So I love this bike. It's got a lot of plus points. It's fun. You can give it welly, and you know you're not on a 1000cc bike, so you can give it welly as much as you want, and you know you're not going to be doing 100 and odd miles an hour in about 5 seconds. That's all the part of the fun of it, isn't it, when you think about it? Because you can go through the gears and chill and just pretend you're a racing driver, that kind of stuff, you know. We're on a big bike. You're a bit oh, I'm going to go back there. Big bike, you're you know, you got a lot more weight to carry. As young as I used to be, I've got arthritis in my feet now. The doctor says it's his arthritis. 2 years my feet's been killing me. I have to sleep with my feet out of the bed. So as soon as I stop moving around, etc., that's when they start tingling and hurting. So, and then we take off. It's my shoulders as well, they're getting pain in my shoulders now as well, so it's crept up to my shoulders, my hips are knackered. I'm just getting fucking old. 61 in a couple of months. My eyes, when I look at my eyes I feel like I'm 30, but my body feels like I've had it kind of thing, which is not what it's all part of getting old, I suppose, but you still want to do stuff and you can't do stuff and you forget where things are and you put them safe and you can't find a safe place. All the things you do, tools especially for me, I'm finding tools, and where the hell have I put that? I've just been trying to find my wallet. I'm backtracking in my head where I might put it. Might be a bit noisy. I'm going to put my visor up, clear it up. Oh. Yes, it is spitting. Spitting with rain. So I'm not sure if I should go for a bigger bike or not. That's it. Yes, the bike's got a lot of plus points. It's fun to ride, it's nimble, it's safe, it's a heavier bike than what some of the other ones are, you know, the 250s. You can still rag it. Yeah, so I'm not sure. It's a bit wet. The road manners are excellent. This is whatever you want it to do. I went wide on that one a bit, yeah, silly bugger. That and a 1000cc bike, isn't it? Rag it a little bit. Give it a bush. Stop getting overexcited, Michael. Calm down a bit. If I got another bike, it's got to have ABS. Some of the older 2014-15 bikes didn't have ABS. Leg on there, I think. No, come in. Trust a bike. It's like, you know, when people, when they start saying, oh, you got to wear seatbelts. Oh, I wear seatbelts, and you wear seatbelts. And now if you don't wear a seatbelt, I feel naked. I feel vulnerable, etc. And it's a bit same with ABS. But that is, I mean, the ABS is spot on for a bike. I mean, you can pump it as much as you want, the brake, and you know it's not going to lock up. Where without ABS, as soon as you touch it and you know, it starts to lose its traction, that's it, you're off. You're stuffed. So, especially if you're pumping the front of it, you know, the brake. I'm going to be quiet now. Love you and leave you. Please subscribe, like, comment as much as you want. I always answer comments if I can. Yeah, please hit that notification bell. Please subscribe. A bit of fun on the way. Just hit that button.
Mr. Mastering presents the Loop Champ. The Loop Champ. De Louchin. The Loopchi. The Loopchi. The Loopkimp.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.